Hi everyone, I'm Carlos Sanda.
And I'm Jelmel Alberto Hernandez.
And I'm Dale Gonzalez.
We're gonna discuss for today is Japanese conjugation. In forms of Japanese conjugation, we have forms. We have dictionary, mass form, te form, ta form, tai form, and nai form. In dictionary form, we have casual present positive form of a verb. In mass form, the poet present positive form of a verb. The te form, we have the please form of a verb. In the ta form, the casual past positive form of a verb. In tai form, we have the one form of a verb. And nai form is from the casual present negative form of it.
So we're gonna discuss the group 1. So the basic form of group 1 verbs ends with U. So this group is also called consonant stem verbs or godan-dushi, for short godan verbs. No, so for example natin is yung cow. Ang dictionary form niya is U. So para maging mass form siya, papalitan niyo yung U ng imas. So kaimas. Sa tai form naman, papalitan niyo ng itay. Kai-itay. Kai-tai. Sa nai form, kawanay. Sa te form naman is katte. And sa ta form naman is katta. So, yung example natin siya sa sentence. No? So, sa mass form muna tayo. So, wa pizza o kaimas. So, meaning nun is, I will buy pizza. So, kaimas, andun yung mass form. So, sa te form naman is, okasan pizza kate kudasai. So, meaning naman nun is, ma'am, please buy me takoyaki. So, andun na yung te form, kate. Yeah.
Hi everyone, we're gonna discuss right now is group 2. The basic form of group 2 verbs is end with either iru or eru. This group is called vowel stem or verb, vowel stem verb or ichida verb. So right now we have example. Taberu, the example word. The dictionary form is eru. Ito yung pwede mong tanggalin, yung eru. And pag gagawin mo siyang mass form, gagawin mo siyang tabe mas. And in tai form, tabe tai. In nai form is tabe nai. In te form naman is tabe te. In ta form naman is tabe ta. So, right now we have, we're gonna have an example in sentence naman siya. Kunwari, watashi wa tako o tabe tai desu. Ibig sabihin, I want to eat octopus. In taberu naman, in mass form naman, gogo shijijin tabe mas. Ibig sabihin naman, I will eat in 7 p.m.
Hello guys, I will be explaining the irregular verbs, the group 3. There are only 2 irregular verbs. Kuru is to come and suru is to do. The verb suru is probably the most often used verb in Japanese. It is used as to do, to make, and to cause. It is also combined with many nouns of Chinese, of Western origin to make them into verbs. Here are some examples. Like, junbi suru. Tapos, ang dictionary form naman niya is junbi suru. Tapos, ang mass form is junbi shimas. Tapos, ang type form is junbi shitai. And then, ang nai form naman is junbi shinai. Tapos, ang te form is junbi shite. And ang ta form is junbi shita. Tapos, ang example naman ng junbi is watashi wa kokeniki no junbi shitai. I want to, ang paliwanag naman po nun is, I want to prepare my wedding.
That's all for today. I'm Carlos Sanda. I'm Jelmel.
And I'm Dale Gonzalez. Thank you so much po.
Thank you.